The national guidelines depict, and for a large part we agree, that we have three threshold funding levels. One is baseline, and that is to keep your association cash positive without the 30-year scope. The 70% funded, which is or above, and the 100% funded level, those are the lowest risk of deferred maintenance and special assessment. Unfortunately, associations are very underprepared by the time we get there, and our recommendations to be 70% to 100% funded are unrealistic. And so we wanted to give boards the ability to make alternative plans, but do so responsibly. And so that's where UPlanet comes in. You can test scenarios, and really my board's been having a lot of fun with it, in developing alternative plans, not only to their funding plans, but also to their replacement projects that are coming up.
So where you've said the roof will last 7 more years, what if it lasts 9 more years? What does that look like? Oh, okay, we can change our things. Well, so then they come to us and say, gents, what does it take to patch this roof to just get some extra life out of it so that we can kind of push it out a little bit, but responsibly push it out?
That's a great example of a roof, and whether or not it's economical to do the repairs, in regard to replacement now. And oftentimes the boards that I work with are actually escalating the timing of those projects and say, well, our reserve study says we have 5 years left. What if we only have 2? And what would our reserve fund look like if that happened? And then obviously you could add other components to the reserve study that factor roof repairs if they're significant. Sometimes, these associations have many buildings and they need many repairs. And it could be economically feasible for you to do those repairs if you're going to extend the life.